This is my favorite tool. Today it started acting weird. It refuses to power off. The motor runs normally and also turns off, but the LEDs stay on. Charging also works, but the battery will drain if I can't turn off the device. Let's open the device and see if there's anything we can do. Two small screws hold the casing in place. These can be used as spare screws for the chuck, because they are exactly the same. Behind the chuck there is a metal ring. I need to cut a bit of plastic to pry the ring off with a screwdriver. I first tried to remove the ring by heating it, but that didn't help. This way the ring comes off easily. The aluminium body tube comes off easily by pulling, and the plastic frame splits in half. On the one side of the circuit board there's a lithium battery, and on the other side there are components. Let's look at the main components. At the top left of the circuit board is a MOSFET, which controls the motor. On the far right is the lithium battery charging controller. At the bottom is a microcontroller. A program is loaded onto it, which controls the motor using PWM signal. The microcontroller's diagram shows that pin 7 is the reset pin. I could try connecting pin 7 and 8 together. If the reset pin is activated, this should reset the chip's program. Unfortunately, the chip is really small and I hit the wrong pin. Now the motor won't turn off at all, and the device doesn't respond to presses. I need to disconnect the battery and motor. There are no visible burnt components on the component side, but on the other side there is one burnt copper trace. The trace is thin and I will repair it with a strand from a multi-strand wire. This is a really small circuit board. I connect the motor and a 3.5 volt power source to the circuit board, and the device works again, but I still can't turn off the LEDs. I also tried resetting by connecting the previously mentioned microcontroller pins, but that didn't help. I'll try one more thing, disconnecting the ground pin of the microcontroller. Now the motor can be turned on and off, but the speed cannot be adjusted, so I'll solder the pin back in place. There is only one option left, installing an external power switch. Now I need to sand and drill the casing a bit to fit the wires. So I'll disconnect the battery's positive terminal and bring it outside the device with wires. I found a flashlight power switch and will attach it outside with double-sided tape. This is at least a reliable system. Now the power can't stay on when the device is turned off. It works well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.